My name is Rami Sulaiman, and I'm the upcoming editor-in-chief of AUB Outlook, the student university newspaper where you can express yourself freely, and we're all really excited to see you next year.
AUB Outlook is a weekly publication by the students of the American University of Beirut. We are independent, non-affiliated publication and a safe space for all races, genders, and sexualities. Our community engages with a plethora of perspectives and is home to a diversity of student backgrounds. Outlook's writers, editors, media, and operations teams all assemble to reflect student life, interests, challenges, and movements. We invite you to learn and grow with us by applying to any of the various positions at Outlook. Connect with ambitious people and contribute to one of the most active student organizations on campus. Outlook is a platform that amplifies student voices. From the hustle of intense events like student elections, when political participation can mirror social change beyond campus gates, all the way to the events of student clubs and societies, which you will come to engage in and enjoy throughout your academic journey. Every year, we attempt to provide the campus with grounds for constructive debate and uncensored expression, while preserving journalistic integrity. As one of the largest student organizations, active all year round, we follow your personal stories with every momentous occasion and document memories and reflections that you can go back to. That's why, this year, we are launching a full section dedicated to campus news and activities. We are reporting through multiple digital platforms, accompanying you on your journey at AUB through our app, website, and keeping you up to date with campus events through our socials. We are also constantly evolving and adapting. In fact, just this summer, we have officially launched our podcast, On the Lookout, AUB's student-centered podcast where you can find fascinating happenings, share good advice, and enjoy great company. Now available on Spotify, Apple Podcast, and Anghami. Meet Outlook's people.
I wrote for Outlook newspaper on the online version in the TV and cinema section, and I wrote a couple of reviews for some of my favorite movies and recommendations, and I really enjoyed meeting my fellow writers and sharing my thoughts about movies and cinema to everyone over at AUB. I got contacted by so many people telling me they loved my reviews, and it was such a great experience. I can't wait to write for Outlook again this.
My experience with Outlook was actually very fun. Although it was online, it still taught me a lot about social media engagement and management. And I learned a lot of skills such as copywriting, social media managing, and other skills that hopefully will come handy in the future. It was also a great way to meet new people, and I'm very excited for it to be on campus just to see the dynamic of the team.
At Outlook, you can express yourself freely and meet wonderful people while learning journalistic skills and exploring the multiple layers of student life. Stay updated with us as we share open positions through our website and social media channels.